Now next one, which of the following is false about Andaman and Nicobar Island? Okay, so they have coral presence, that is correct. They are called Emerald Island, that is also correct. The ships which we have, INS Tihayu, Tarmugli, Tilchiang, these are all named after the islands which are there in Andaman, that is also true. Then Duncan Passage separates Car Nicobar from Little Andaman. This is wrong. It's actually the 10-degree channel which separates that. So if you see the map here, this is the Andaman Island, this is the Nicobar Island. So within that also you have to study many things. Okay, like in Andaman, obviously the top one is North Andaman, then we have Middle Andaman, then South Andaman, then last we have the Little Andaman. Okay, so this is the Andaman part, and then there's a 10-degree channel, and then Car Nicobar is the topmost, then we'll have Little Nicobar, then only the Great Nicobar. Okay, Great Nicobar is at the bottom, and the bottommost point, Indira Point, which in the tsunami time it got submerged. Okay, so this is the overall map, and here if you see 10-degree channel separates the overall Nicobar with the overall Andaman, or you can tell it separates the Car Nicobar with the Little Andaman. And again, now Duncan Passage is little above that. That is, it separates within the Andaman. That is our Greater Andaman with the Little Andaman. Greater Andaman is equal to North plus Middle plus South. So that Greater Andaman is separated with the Little Andaman by the Duncan Passage. Okay, so this is the Andaman's map.